OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. The OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner stands out as an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their salad preparation experience. With a practical design and user-friendly features, this salad spinner simplifies the process of washing and drying greens, ensuring that your salads are crisp and fresh. Measuring 6 into 10.5 into 10.5 inches and weighing 2.5 pounds, it strikes an ideal balance between capacity and convenience. The spinner holds a substantial amount of leafy greens, making it suitable for both individual use and larger family meals. Its compact size allows it to fit comfortably on countertops without taking up too much space.